From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Snyder.
Awfully quiet out there again tonight. You got the bright moon that's out there, a couple of planets to be seen. The one closest, by the way, to the moon that you're looking at right now is Jupiter. Different spot than what we had last night, but still just as easy to see. And it's not nearly as cold as what it was last night. Current temp at the airport is still near the 40-degree mark. That's not half bad for late February. Wind out of the south-southwest at 6 miles per hour, a negligible impact on your wind chill. Drops it down to about 35. Satellite and radar out of western New York. Got a few little pockets, splotches, if you will, of some minor cloud cover. None of that's going to end up depositing any precip, but some of this might across the western extent of Lake Erie. Light rain showers. These are out ahead of a cold front. Not far from the cold front, but still technically out ahead of it. We've got that boundary that will sag right on through tomorrow morning, which is going to make tomorrow one of those kind of bummer days here, because on our 8-day, we've got a high temperature around about 45 degrees, and many of you will never experience that 45 degrees unless you're up really early, like 6, 7, 8 o'clock really early. There goes the front, couple of rain showers with that, and then a shift in the wind. That wind turning more to the northwest is going to start to usher in some cooler Canadian air. Now look, that's not me telling you the only nice part of the day is going to be early in the morning. That's not true. We're dry through the remainder of the afternoon, and I still think we're above freezing. So you got some stuff you want to do outside. That's not the worst forecast in the world that we've ever given you. Clouds will thicken up as we go into Saturday night. All right, so here's been my forecast challenge tonight. We teased you with this earlier this afternoon. We know it's going to end up snowing late Saturday night and early Sunday. Models have still been very split on how filled in radar will or will not be. Our in-house model, you're looking at that here. This is a brand new run, just came in 10 minutes ago. Sticking to its guns that there will be precious little in the way of snowfall here, to the point where we're talking about maybe a dusting to a ½ an inch of snow. That would be it. The rest of Sunday is just very cold with numbers in the low 20s into the upper teens. We still, however, have other reliable guidance that goes, well, hang on here, maybe more like 2 to 4 inches of snowfall accumulation out of this from Saturday night into Sunday. So what's my gut say out of this? My gut says this is too high. I'm not a believer that that radar is going to be as sparsely filled in as what I just showed you, but I'm thinking for a lot of you, we're going to be talking no more than an inch or 2. That's how we see it right now. Then we get to watch this one. This is going to be your Tuesday weather maker that I think is just going to be a sloppy mess. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, plain rain involved in this. It's one of those systems where the marginal temperatures just makes life tough. Precip type kind of bouncing back and forth. It will also make this quite tough. Our last total lunar eclipse in about 3 years is Tuesday morning. And you're going to have to just watch others taking pictures and video of it for you. I think that same Tuesday system is going to block the view of totality with that one. After that, once we get to these two sloppy systems, if you will, we start to talk about highs back in the 40s and 50s and maybe even more than 50s. I don't want to say how much more, but more than 50s. Yeah.